Okay, Jupyter. Okay, now you're able to see this thing,
Yes.
right? Inside to
Yes.
that, it's 9 to 11, right? Okay, inside to this particular Jupyter notebook, one folder created.
So this is a subfolder, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, Jupyter notebook. Till here
Yes.
I understood, but the screen which you're showing, like A is equal to, you're doing little small programs and showing.
Yes, right. I'm just you need to open this file.
Okay.
Inside to this file, I'm doing all these operations in the cells.
So what extension did you save that file as, sir?
IPYNB. We no need to save. We no need to save. Just we need to rename it. Defaultly, it will be saved.
Okay. So can I share my screen once, sir?
Uh, okay. If you share, the recording is going to change
Oh,
or
okay.
stop.
But
Okay. Tell me what's exactly your problem. Tell me
I
step
will
by.
tell you. So the
Uh,
thing is, I created a folder
okay.
called
One second.
analytics.
One second. One second. I'll go through it. So inside to this particular thing, I'm creating one folder. See here. See here. I'm creating one folder. Okay. I renamed it to whose it is.
Let's say
Your name. Your name. Your name.
Nirupa. Nirupa.
Okay. Okay. I renamed it. I entered into this folder, and you created the Python 3 Jupyter notebook.
Okay, so that's what I'm asking
You need to
because
create this one. Then that particular file will going to create.
okay, because I'm just going and doing something. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. Right. Smita is facing some problem.
So
Okay. We'll wait for 2 more minutes. Smita need to join. Excel is available in each and everyone's machine.
yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Okay. Also, I downloaded Tableau and I played around Tableau yesterday for some time.
Okay.
So what I understood is like the dimensions and the measures, right, sir?
Yes.
in the dimensions, rows and columns are there. So the measures are for, it will take only the integer value things in the measure, sir.
I mean to say, like, I'll tell you the difference between the and high level. I'll try to tell you.
Okay.
Dimensions are the qualities.
Okay.
Measures are the values which will support the qualities. For example, he is that much height. Height is the dimension, and how much height is a measure.
Okay. It will give the meaningful.
Yes, right. That is the thing. Without a measure, we're not able to convince them, right?
Yes.
With a height. So that is a simple example, if you want to
So
understand.
yeah, but it is not something like the dimension will only take descriptional thing, and measures will take only
Yeah,
integers.
right.
No rows. So it will be, the integers will be accepted even in the dimensions, right, sir?
Yes, right. For
Yeah.
example, uh, calendar years, time in hours. So all those will be considered as an integers, right? But
Yes, sir.
special conditions in most of the 90%, 99%, the example which we discussed is suitable.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Mita joined. Still, we're waiting for her.
Yeah, I joined.
Okay. Thanks, Mita. We're waiting for you.
Yeah, I don't know. Some glitch was there. So
Yes, definitely. Whatever may be the software, definitely it has some glitch. 100% bug-free software is a fallacy.
mm, I don't know, something going wrong.
In this batch,
Taru, I think.
Smita and Niju come. And one more person is there in this batch, right?
Yes.
Taru Honda.
Smita, Tajinder joined yesterday. Smita and me are there from day one.
Okay.
Bhumika used to be here, but yesterday she's not here. But Mr. Pavan, he messaged saying she left the organization or
Yes,
something.
right. Yes, right. He just informed me a few minutes back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I think we
Yeah.
four are there. Yesterday only we four are there, sir.
Yeah, my nickname is only Taru. Tejinder's nickname is only.
Okay,
Yeah.
Taru is here.
Okay. And Taru is also there.
Yeah, sorry. I joined with the name Tejinder, formal name only.
Okay, okay, sure,
See.
sure, sure.
Yeah.
It's an alias name for you.
So, Mr. Mohan, are you able to join Tableau? Like I able to use Tableau, but not able to upload that Jupyter thing. I don't know how to do that.
Uh,
I have Anaconda in my computer,
okay,
but
okay.
it's not opening.
It's not opening.
Yeah, it's
Then no problem. You can share your screen. Whose it
okay.
is? Nirupam?
Smita.
Asmita. Okay. I'm making you host.
Mhm. Let me see. Let me share. Can you see my screen now? Sir, can you see my screen now? Hello?
I think he is on mute or something. Can you open that?
Yes, I'm able to hear. I'm in mute. I'm able to see. So can you
Okay.
please open that type Anaconda prompt? Anaconda?
There's
Anaconda prompt?
this one?
Yes, right?
Yes.
Here type Jupyter notebook, Jupyter space notebook. Jupy, not I.
Then space.
No. Jupyter, not JPI.
Jupy.
Jupyter,
Jupy.
ter space notebook.
Then enter something.
Yes, enter. Okay. Why it is not opening? I want to see. Okay, it's opening.
Yes. Then I have to choose Jupyter.
Yes, you typed the wrong spelling.
Okay, Jupy. So is it not that one?
Yes, that is the spelling. That is the proper spelling.
Okay.
This is the one which we are looking for.
Okay, so I can open any of like
No, no, no. I mean, select these are all are defaultly from your documents folder, documents location. If you want
okay,
to use, you need to create a separate folder and you need to go. You need to use it.
okay,
From the
okay.
right side, new button is there, right?
Uh-huh.
If you click, you can create a folder and you can rename it. You can create subfolders inside to the folder, and in the particular folders, you can create Python file and text file,
Okay.
right? Uh, a-
Okay. Now I can see.
any modifications you did for it? I'm going to
Uh-huh.
select. I'm able to see TensorFlow in that particular format. You implemented something, or someone are using this particular system.
Yeah, my husband, he is using this one. So
Okay. So no, he's using that particular libraries and all those things.
yes, that's
Okay.
why I think I was not aware. I
Okay.
have
I
to
mean,
ask.
like here, terminal is in a disabled condition, right?
Uh-huh.
Terminal unavailable, right? So that is the reason I asked.
Okay.
Also,
So
sir, and in what extension does this Python files will get saved, sir?
IPYNB. Type once, Smita.
mhm.
IPYNB. Dot IPYNB. Why?
IPN.
IPY.
Okay, IPY
NB. I think you don't
and
like Y.
Y and
and B. Okay.
Yes. Interactive. I means interactive. PY means Python. NB means notebook. Interactive Python notebook. The extension is dot IPYNB.
okay.
Okay. So
And
okay.
if you
If you want to
don't
see,
mind,
just rename that particular thing for testing. Rename this particular file name.
Okay. So
Where
from
you'll
where?
rename. So now untitled is there, right? On your top. No, 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 no. Left. Beside to Jupyter. Beside to
Okay.
Jupyter. Click on it.
This
Click it there. You can rename it as a test file and rename. Okay. Now uh, you can come back to your document space. It's a is it a Windows or a Mac? It's Windows, right? Okay.
it's a window.
Click Windows E.
Where is the
Shortcut.
window?
Click Windows E in a keyboard.
Okay.
On a keyboard.
E.
Windows E. Okay. Now you were able to see. You can open the documents.
Mm-hmm.
Left side. Left side. Left side. You can open the documents. Come down. Down. Yes, here. Click
Mm-hmm.
at there. Come down. So you're able to see
Mm-hmm.
.ipynb checkpoints. Open that. Come down.
Yeah.
This one?
Yes, open it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See that extension IPYNB.
Wait
Cells.
a minute.
No, this is a different format. Don't worry about it. Some configurations are differently in it. But you're able to
Okay.
see the type. You're
Yeah.
able to see the type.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it can open as a
IPY and
normal
Python.
text file also.
Ah, yes, we can open it also.
Okay.
But
Okay. So
generally, if we didn't if we didn't change any settings, na, it will be opened directly as a IPYNB file.
Oh,
okay.
okay. So what exactly settings did you change here, sir? Because it's opening as a text file.
I mean to say like that his husband know what type of
Oh,
settings he changed.
okay. Okay.
Why? Because we'll get it in many ways. For example, if we want to open a PDF, so no, I'll defaultly choose one specific type of software I'll use. Defaultly, it will take and it will convert all such type of files into that particular format, right? Many, for example, he maybe opened some file in the text format and defaultly it will be uh, in that particular format. That's it. If you want to execute, you need to shift enter or control enter or run.
Control.
Okay.
shift enter or control enter
To run a
to run that
I2.
particular cell. To run that particular cell, you need to keep your cursor in that particular cell,
Okay.
and then you need to click shift enter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Shift enter.
Yes.
Then what? Okay. It's like suppose 33 plus 19.
Shift enter, sir.
Yes, shift enter or control enter. I told you right yesterday. What is the
Yeah.
difference between using run and shift enter and control enter?
Put inside the cell. If
So
I put
escape plus B, it will, okay, that is for creating the cells. Okay.
yeah,
Creating a
creating the cell below
below to the
the
current cell.
yeah.
Okay.
If I put the control enter, then let's see
Okay.
control.
So shift enter, it will run the code inside the cell and it will create new cell below
Yes,
that.
absolutely.
Mm.
Okay.
And
Okay.
shift enter to create a new cell.
And control enter will just execute the code in the cell.
Yes, right.
Yeah. If I put here shift enter.
Then why that particular box is opening, dialog box?
Mine?
Yes, yes. No. Yes, yours. When you are using shift enter or something else, so why that particular dialog box is opening? You're
This
clicking
one?
something else? Yes, yes. Previously it is opened, right? One dialog box.
Yeah, I try to like
Right clicked?
yeah.
Okay. Any doubt you have?
No, I'm good. Like I'm now open to like I can use Jupyter.
Okay, right.
This one I have to close.
No, okay. You're facing any problem related to Tableau?
No, I'm that like this thing.
Okay, right. Good.
So
Then everything got
then
set up.
yesterday I tried some bar graph and bubble graphs, all those things.
Okay, that's great.
I'm totally non-IT person, so I'm just
No problem.
curious
I
to
mean to say
learn.
like
Hari.
you-
Sir, for the Tableau, right?
Huh.
So for the we downloaded the public version, right? Tableau
Yes,
public.
yes,
For the desktop and public, the main menu bar, everything it will be there, no sir. The menu.
yes, yes, yes. The main difference is connectivity
Okay.
and saving the work which we are doing.
Okay, so there will be a different features in every things are like in the file menu, like in the
No, no, no,
data.
no, 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 no.
Okay.
You observed any changes? Too many changes?
I'm just going through to that tutorial point or something like very basic step to step tutorial on Tableau.
Mm-hmm.
So when I'm reading it, like when I see like in the menu bar, when they're saying the features, what is what,
Mm-hmm.
I see few things are not present here in the Tableau public thing,
Mm-hmm.
which are present in the desktop version. So I thought maybe because here we can't publish the data and all.
Yes, publish. I mean to say like we'll miss the publish options. Publish
Okay.
and
Like exporting and everything.
exporting and downloading into PDF formats and such
Oh,
type
okay.
of facilities we'll miss.
Okay.
Functionality wise, there is
Will be
no
same.
will be the same. But
Okay.
after completion of our work, saving our work and publishing our work and sharing our work will be vary with the license.
So with this public one, we can't do like sharing and everything, sir.
We can share, but publicly share. So I would say like if you want to share a specific person, no, you are not able to share.
Oh, okay, we can put it publicly, anybody can
Yes,
access it.
yes, you can share them as a link. Anyone
Oh,
want to see them.
okay,
Generally for the people, maintain their portfolio. If you
okay,
want to move and if you want to plan your career in the Tableau, so just you need to take some samples which are available in the Tableau public, and you will design your different dashboards, and you will design a one portfolio of projects, and then you will showcase and you will give that particular link in your resume.
okay. Only
And
for Tableau, there will be a separate career also, sir.
yes, absolutely.
Okay, because no, I'm just
Yes,
asking because it's a
yes, yes,
reporting tool, right?
yes,
So
right.
only for reporting, also there will be job. Only for
Yes,
reporting,
yes,
also
right.
there will be jobs, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
So I don't say like it's the least paid job, but it is a one of the highest paid jobs.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Sir, so how, what we will like, what can we use like Jupyter in data analyst? What we can do on it?
You can load the data into this particular field. You can do manipulations.
Mm-hmm.
You can do calculations. You'll clean the data.
What
You
is
will
cleaning the data means,
cleaning
sir?
data means, for example, um, data may be missed for some records. For example, you can feel like that. I'll tell. Okay.
Can you
Uh,
like take?
okay, right. I'll do one exercise. Can you please make me host? I'll explain clearly. So this is a
Okay.
very important thing. I
Yeah,
don't
and
know how
once
I
you
say it.
Can you able
once
to?
you become host, don't forget to
Record.
record. Yeah.
Yes. So you need to remember who's that. Every
Smriti.
time you
Nirupa.
need, every time who are taking a screen control, those people need to remember me after sharing,
Okay.
after giving permissions for me.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
you are able to hold.
1 second. Yes, I'm able to share now and recording. Record.
Start.
Please ask the host to give you permission to record. Oh my God.
Is it? It is recording. It's showing recording.
Recording?
Yeah, it's showing me recording.
Yeah, we can see it's recording.
Yeah, even I can see it is recording, but
Even I can do like pause and everything. I don't know.
or shall we?
Recording is in progress.
Yeah, it's showing me
Who,
recording.
who are able to see?
It is showing
Yeah,
recording,
it's showing
but with
recording.
a red color one peeping and
Yeah,
stopping. That okay?
Yes, right. So no.
yeah, it's a recording. Yeah.
Okay, right.
So this is Excel.
Mm, okay, right. See, I'll tell you. Uh, right now, I will create some specific data. Then after
Yeah.
that, I'll tell you what is the meaning of cleaning, and
Yeah.
so if you are able to get all those things, na, so whatever the doubts you have, you need to ask me today itself related to the core concepts. How much extent you can able to think, that much extent you can think. Okay, right. Now, if you're able to see serial number, I'm not able to create a very big data set, but I'll try to create a data set. Mm, name and age and salary and experience and mm,
Employee
what
ID. Employee
employee
ID.
ID ID. Okay, right. So now I'm creating this serial number 1, name A1, age uh, age 58, okay, age 50, experience 15 years, salary 200,
Okay.
200,000 and employee IDs A1, B2, C3. Okay, see now. So now I'm highlighting it. Okay, I'm making it as a table. Okay, right now. Fill series. Okay. Fill series. Okay, 1 second. 200. Fill series. Okay, right. Okay, see this now. Age is 52, experience is 47, salary is 200, and salary is okay. See this one now. Anyone able to identify any mismatches? So,
Mm,
okay, this is the data. If you
age
feel
and
like that, this is just a numbers. You are not able to identify any mistakes in the data. You are not able to identify any outliers in the data.
Okay.
This is the data collected from
Employee.
any open source or any entry form or any surveys or whatever it may be from any of our database. Maybe when they are collecting the data, some mistake is happened and wrong information is available at here,
mhm,
right? There is a chance, right? Definitely there
Okay.
is a chance.
Yes.
mhm.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
for just purpose of the data cleansing, I'm saying.
Hmm.
See this one. So now what are the suspicious things in the data?
Like for employee
Employee ID
A11, it is different.
Mhm.
and
And
age,
Okay,
Age
and
from
is
also employee
107.
ID can be only of 5
cell,
characters, but I mean 5 total varchar, but it is more than that.
okay, and these
salary,
two are suspicious, and this is very suspicious,
Yeah.
right? And the salary
salary.
also very suspicious.
And what about the 9, 10, 11, 9, 8, 9, 10? There are more characters in employee ID.
Okay. So you were
This
saying
is
more
10,
characters,
11.
but I'll say
I
like that.
mean the
I'll
length.
I'll say
The,
like I'll say like that. Uh,
uh-huh.
if you see any post in the LinkedIn, you're able to see employee IDs with the 4 digits. Why? Because they are working in that company from the past 20 years or 25 years or 30 years.
Okay. I mean,
Ri-
how much
Right.
this field is allowed to take in?
Yes. So we need to
Maybe.
fix that
Yeah.
particular length, and here you
Yeah.
need to observe the
Uh-huh.
pattern A1, B2, C from there. C3, next C4, C5, C7, C8, C9, C10. It is not suspicious. Just it's an incremental order. Employee ID. But the next one is completely suspicious and it's completely a numerical data.
Yeah.
It's not an alphanumeric. Okay.
Mhm.
Now here see, his age is a 52. His age is 52. His experience is
47.
47.
47. His experience is 47 years. This is very
Yeah.
suspicious, right?
Yeah.
These type of things you need to identify before going to any analysis, and you need to do the needful things. Either you need to remove the entire record, or you need to replace with some averages or some medians or some modes, or you need to get back to the team and get back to the business and ask, this is the situation, how we need to go further. Or we need to go to the database team and hey, this particular, can you please look into it? If you have a proper information at some any other instance, you can provide to me. So all these operations are taken care by the data analyst.
Mhm. So the first step will be once we get the data cleaning, sir.
Yes, data understanding. First thing is business understanding. After that, data understanding. We need to look into the data and we need to try to absorb the data and relate the data to the business and along with that problem which we are going to solve, if we know.
Mhm.
Okay, clear? This is a these type of it's a simple it's a simple example where I am explained, but these type of situations will be there more in the sales. I mean to say, like, maybe for one particular person purchased a a huge amount of goods because of data entry or because of false entry or because of in the process of extracting the data, maybe some mistakes will be there. You need to identify those things and you need to replace for your analysis. That all
So,
such type of things you need to take care. The data cleaning.
so first we'll get the data from the database team.
Yes.
Then
Database team, or otherwise they'll give you access to you.
okay, once we get it, it will be always in the Excel or any other format, sir.
Maybe it in Excel or maybe it in some other formats also.
Okay, so how we will
Then
do this cleaning? Like, will we do the
Uh,
cleaning in
yes, you
Python?
can do in cleaning in Python, or if data is less, you can do it in Excel, or otherwise you can do it in along with Tableau also.
Okay, so so now we identified what are the mismatches here,
Hmm.
uh, according to this data. So what we will do cleaning means we'll get back to the database team or
We'll get back to the database team. We can inform that in our daily Scrum calls or somewhere else.
okay.
Okay, and otherwise, after consulting them, we can take an average of all the remaining employees and we can replace those mismatched values to the averages.
Okay,
and
we
So
get
this is the
usually
small
do we
data,
have
right?
to fetch the data, or we get already data
No,
ready?
no, they are completely different from company to company.
Mm-hmm.
There are situations where you need to fetch the data from the database.
Okay.
What is the data? Based on the problem, what type of data you need to fetch? You need to write a SQL query
Yeah.
and you need to
Okay.
select.
Okay.
So in
There are
a
some,
We get
companies,
some
they have the
conditions
like
to
a
fetch
big
it
data
out, right?
collection, right?
yes.
So how we like find out, like we have to check out each and every like column and all those things. They
Is
have
No,
the
it a
like,
actually,
ticket
metadata will
to
be there.
solve?
Metadata functions will be there. Metadata informations and documents will be there if it is a big data.
so what's it what like what
Metadata
it
means,
like?
metadata, right? Metadata
Mm-hmm.
means information about information.
Yeah.
Okay.
Metadata is nothing but we have a data. Metadata means information about the data.
Mm-hmm.
So in daily routine, how it goes, like we get data tickets and we fetch the data and we check, cleanse it, we check it, and then we get back with our analysis.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So that is the reason I'm saying it is various from your roles and your company where we are going to work.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not a fixed,
Mm-hmm.
but this is not the crux of the data analyst. Our main job is to do the things with okay, to do the things with data.
Sir,
Okay.
your voice is breaking or something because I can't hear anything.
Yeah, it seems like in between you stopped saying
Yeah,
something.
it is, we could hear only
Not
till
really.
to do the data. That's the
Oh,
last thing.
oh my God. 1 second. Give me 1 second and check. Now you're able to hear me clearly? Hello?
Yeah, we can hear
Okay.
you.
Okay, right. So no, that is the way. It's completely depends upon the company and it's completely depends upon your roles and responsibilities. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, and any further more questions?
Nirupa is they are mute.
Why?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Tejinder, you have any
I
questions?
just wanted to say that can we do this QA after the every class?
Yes.
I mean, one
So no, I
Mohan.
mean to say like no. I'm
Like,
going to do this QA before starting the class.
okay.
Why? Because then only I got to know what are the things which you understand and which you didn't understand. One
Yeah,
second.
sure.
Give me 1 second.
Sir, are you telling anything? Because I can't hear anything.
So no, I'm in mute. I got a call, so I'm in a mute. Okay, right. Okay, so the thing is, initially only I told you, right? After clarifying our doubts, then only we'll go to the class. No problem. Class may extend for 1 or 2 more hours.
Okay.
It's not a big deal for
I
me.
was not there first day. Maybe I missed it. Yeah.
Okay, is it clear? Everything, or
Yes.
anyone have any doubts? You know, as you know, I mean to say like I feel if I have any doubts in my mind, so those will be only reminded. I'm not able to concentrate on the class. I'm not able to concentrate on the current things. Okay, clear? So can we start?
Yeah.
Excel?
Can we? Mhm.
Okay, right.
Also, just I wanted to, so how we'll do the, anyhow, only we three will be in the class.
Yes.
Maybe so. How will we do the course, sir? Like we'll be doing a Python ones and Tableau ones, or we will be going back and forth? How?
First we'll go with that Excel.
Okay, so today we are starting with Excel, sir.
Yes, right. Excel. And if you're feeling, or I mean to say like my suggestion is, if you if you three only are there, then it is a little bit. I mean to say like I observed one thing. I'll tell you. So it's completely your wish. So no, you're missing some sort of questions from the other batch members. So another batch is there at the time of uh, 7:30. I mean to say like what 10 to 11:30. 10 to 11:30, one more batch is there before you.
Okay,
In that
okay,
batch also 2 or 3 people are there.
okay.
So okay, what I'm feeling, if you three are comfortable at that time, then it will be very helpful for you.
Okay, you want us to merge into that batch?
Yes, yes, that is also parallelly started with you. Why? Because if it's a very small group now, ideologies and doubts will be very less.
Yeah, the more the group,
Yes, I mean like it's not like
more
that too much
exploration.
more, not too much more.
I know.
At least a 6 or 7 now. So now it will be very great.
So what are the timings you said, sir? Like
Uh,
10 o'clock?
yes, before that, before your class, I mean to say like 10 to 11:30.
Okay,
If
so
you don't mind, can you tell about the nighttime group also? Do you is it going on?
No, only one person is there. I think
Okay.
Saloni or someone else. She
Okay.
told to me in the morning she will join in this batch, but I don't
Mhm.
know she joined or not.
so I'm in Texas, sir. So I think it is if it is 10 o'clock in it is East Coast timings, right, sir? What you're
Yes,
talking.
right,
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So it will be 9 for me. So I think I can get to that batch. It will be 9 for me, but I can't come tomorrow because I have a doctor appointment at nine
No, no,
o'clock.
no problem. So if you missed one class, it's not a big deal. So
Mhm.
just I'm saying for the information session,
So
information purpose.
can I do that from Monday, sir?
Sure,
Monday
sure,
or
definitely.
Friday?
Sure, sure,
Uh,
definitely.
So I
And
don't have a
where will
badging
you keep these recordings?
Sorry,
Where will you keep all these recordings? So if
those
you want to
recordings
go
will be
back and
upload.
check.
Yes, those will be uploaded in YouTube directly. I hope so. Maybe that link will be provided by the admin team.
Also,
Oh,
sir, if
so
you
I mean,
don't
if we
mind me
go, what?
asking you every day, can you
No
give
problem.
some material kind of thing? Because I wanted to, I know I'm listening everything to in the class. I want to practice something and read something after the class also.
Yes, yes, yes. This is Nirupam, right?
Yes, I know
Okay.
every day from the day one
So
I'm.
no, 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 no. I'm asking. Definitely, I'll give you material. Definitely, I'll give you stuff to practice. You will say,
Okay.
please, please, sir, try to decrease some work, try to decrease some content. Okay, the days are before. Just wait for just
Oh,
wait.
you want us to enjoy the beginning
Yes, right.
day.
You need to consider this as a cooling period. Sort out
Okay.
and all those things.
So maybe I will
Oh.
try to join from Friday at 9 o'clock, sir. I think that works best for me also.
Huh.
So that will be like 10 to 12
I mean,
EST.
like, oh, guys, just I'll face a big uh, confusion at here. So now I'm saying in IST time, please convert into your timings. That will be very safe for me.
So right now that like EST timing is 11:30 to like 1:30, whatever like
Okay,
duration.
I'll tell you one second.
So, but what about the next class? Are you talking about?
Uh, so now your batch in Indian time is 9 to 11
Mhm. Right,
p.m. in
PM
IST.
and
In IST.
okay.
So,
So EST is supposed to be like 11:30 to 1:30.
Yes, right. In
yeah.
EST, 11:30 to
1:30.
30 in
Nita,
EST.
are you also in EST area or where are you?
Yeah, I'm in Atlanta,
Oh, okay, me too. So,
Georgia.
Okay.
yeah,
So
me too. So
this
we
is the
both
one
are
batch.
in same zone. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and previous batch and another one batch is also there, right? That is in this particular specific time, 7:30 to 9 p.m.
So it should be like
It
8,
is
9,
10
10,
to
10, 10 to
10
12.
to 11:30.
That
Okay.
is 9 to 10:30 for me. It will be
So,
perfect
but
for me.
our duration is like, like 2 hours, kind of.
Then what is the timeline for this? So no, you're staying in EST?
Yeah, EST.
Okay, then it is fine for you, right? 10 to 11:30.
Okay. Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Okay, who are okay with these particular timings?
So I'm okay, sir. It will be for me from 9 to 10:30. So it is
Okay,
perfect time for me.
right.
I'm
Okay,
the only one in Texas. So
I
okay,
am also
Texas.
okay, but maybe there may be few days where I have to miss some parts of the class.
So no problem. So no,
Yeah.
whenever you have any doubts, so no, I'll take it. And so I told to forgot you. For each and every 2 weeks, I'll have a one doubts clarification session on weekends. If anyone have any
okay.
doubts, you can join in that session. The people
Okay.
who want to clarify or who have some doubts.
Okay. And in case if you start a nighttime class also, I can jump into that.
There's another batch like 8, evening 8 to 10. I don't know who is like a trainer, but
Yeah,
they'll
that's
be
what I
happy.
was asking. He said only one kid, one
Uh,
student is there.
so I mean to say like in IST, it's in the morning time, right?
Yeah.
So no, only one person is there. I want to select. So that is the reason we asked. I requested her to join in this
Oh,
particular
okay.
batch. So okay,
So
for three of you, it's comfortable, right? To join in this particular 7:30 to 9 p.m. IST. So now, if
Yes,
you are also
yeah.
joining through into this batch, I'll extend this class for another half an hour, another half
so
an hour
that,
or 1 hour.
Also,
so
can you ask them to move to this 11:30 to 1?
Uh, Maybe they'll feel uncomfortable or something.
Okay. Mhm.
because
I mean,
they
like
are
Even
like,
Bhumika
you
tried
can
to
go
sort
out.
it out, but I
Even
don't
you
know
can go
what
out,
happened.
it will be nice time for you. After 9, mostly people stay inside home. India
like
time,
for
I said.
India timing, that's a good for you, like 7:30 to 9:30.
Yes,
So you
yes,
have like enough time, like, and you can eat and sleep well.
yes, right. And that is, so nowadays these things are continuously uh, a lot of this is a complete production time, right? So
Yeah,
uh,
so it might be hectic for
if
you.
it's feasible, we'll do. So otherwise, we'll continue with these timings.
So I'm okay with like 10 to 11:30, but what about Nirupa and Taru?
I'm in Smita. I'm in from because 10 to 11 means it will be 9 to 10:30 for me. It will be perfect for me actually.
Yeah, that's a good, like perfect timing. No kids and at all.
Okay, then.
What?
So
Sorry, Smita, what did you say? Our EST time means 10 to 11:30?
yes.
Okay. Okay,
What
I will
about
put
you?
it on that. Actually, I'm working.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah, my calls are 8:45 to 9:45. Maybe sometime it extends to 11. So,
Oh,
yeah. But
Okay,
okay, I'll try to adjust myself into this one.
sure.
Yeah, that is why I was asking that if sometimes I miss, from where do I get my material, or how do I?
So you don't worry. So I mean, so like
Yeah.
I'm giving you a flexibility. You can ask any one of them. You can ask
Yeah.
any one of them,
Yeah.
and
okay.
Yeah. Sure.
I'll also be there to answer your questions. For your
Yeah.
doubts, you're the first priority to clear the doubts.
So,
Yeah. Sure.
but
Thank you.
for
Thank you.
tomorrow, I can't
So
attend,
for
sir.
this week, we'll go with these timings itself.
Okay. So from
Sure.
Monday we
Thank
can
you.
start.
Yes, from Monday
Yeah.
onwards, we'll merge these two batches and we'll go with the things.
Okay, that's great. So how many will be like attending
At
the
there, three people are there.
three
We are
and
two.
There
like
also
this?
6 हो गए.
Yes.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Taru, are you also in Atlanta or somewhere else?
Yeah. Alpharetta.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so
Oh,
we
okay. Right. So now, okay, one big problem got sorted out for me.
Mm.
I'm feeling like bore. Need to repeat the same stuff in
Yeah.
two batches, right? Generally, I don't repeat the things, even though if those two are the same classes.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is Excel, each and everyone know. So just I'll go with some simple stuff today. Excel has some artificial intelligence.
Mm.
We have heard of, but not that much familiar to.
Okay, then. I forget to work in.
Okay, see, 2, 4, 6. What need to come next?
8.
8.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you. Can you please? Oh, you're
So,
doing the even numbers. Okay.
so no, the logic you are
He
able
is
to see like
filling
that.
up the
That's the
CV.
even number,
The
but that is a
artificial
logic, right?
intelligence.
That's a logic automatically it extracted from its previous.
Mhm.
See, for example, uh, 2, 4, 8, 16. It is observing all those 4 and it will replicate the pattern.
So how did you After 16, what did you do with that cursor, sir? Like you just pulled it down or?
Yeah, I'm just pulling, just try to see. I'll tell you, I'll tell you, I'll tell you. So this is a very, you're
Okay.
able to observe here,
Yes.
one rectangular cell is there, right? Inside corner to it, you're able to see some plus symbol.
Okay.
After by clicking your left click, you need to drag to select. Okay, I'll tell. My entire selecting, delete. Guys, just give me 1 minute. I'll drink some water and I'll get back.
Wait.
Okay, see. So this is a Excel workbook. We'll call this entire particular space is considered as a this entire particular workbook. We'll call this as a workbook. Okay. In this workbook, we'll have multiple sheets.
Mhm.
If you want to add some more sheets, you can click at here. Okay. Each and every sheet is completely different. All by combining all the sheets, this is called as a workbook, Excel workbook. These all are rows. Row is nothing but record. One record. Okay, this is a one row. This is one row. This is another row. Okay, this is a record. These are the rows and this is a column. The intersection place where you're able to see, this is called cell. Address of this cell, you're able to see it here. This is the name bar. What is the address of this particular cell? You need to
B4.
give B as a first column name and after that row number B4.
B4.
For example, if you see what is this number, what is this address?
Q18.
Q18. Okay, right. If you want to write it any content inside to this particular cell, you can directly double click in this cell and you can write. Okay. Otherwise, and another way is also there. You need to click on it here. You need to select this cell. Okay,
Mhm.
and click on this particular bar, formula bar. Okay, see this one. I just written my text inside to this particular cell, but it extended to the next cells. It doesn't mean it is it is also there in this particular cells. The only thing is it just utilized that space. Why? Because there is nothing inside it. If you want to adjust this particular side text inside to this particular cell, there are two ways are there. One is you need to adjust only in this particular cell by adjusting the height of the cell by using wrap the text. And another way is you need to adjust the width by selecting this particular after where in which cell you enter the data and the data is crossed from the border, right? You need to select that border and you are able to see the plus symbol, double click it. It will automatically adjust. There are the two ways to fix the length of the data inside to the cell. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One is to wrap, one is to use that wrap text, and another one is like just extending the
Yes,
like.
right. Yes, right.
Sir.
For example, you're downloading some data and you have some data. Okay, you will see if, for example, a very huge number is there. Okay, this number is converted like this, right?
Mhm.
Why? Because it is into
This, sir.
because it is into small space, right?
Sir, can you repeat this once again?
Sorry, because there is no space, right? So it is adjusted like this. Because there is no space inside to this particular cell, so that is the reason it is adjusted like this. If you see, this is the big number which I entered it here.
Okay,
Okay.
got it, sir. Yes.
This is the adjustment. Generally, you're able to see like this. If you have a data, if it's a number, it will be that particular space is not suitable for that. At the time, you know what you need to do? You need to select this particular entire sheet and take any of the column, double click it. The entire sheet is going to be adjusted in the lengths, in the form of lengths. If you have any uncertain gaps in the particular these heights, just you can select the entire sheet from left side top corner is there, right? One triangle symbol you're able to see.
Mhm.
By selecting this and try to click it here, all the adjustments are automatically happen. Okay, guys, just be me. The Excel is a little bit boring stuff. It's not that much interested like Tableau or Python, but it is a necessary thing which we need to know.
Sir, when you click that triangle on the left side top, what
Mhm.
happened exactly?
Just see,
Select
the
all.
entire sheet is going to select.
Okay, to adjust.
Yes, the entire sheet is going to select. After that, if you want to delete, you can delete.
Or you can change.
You want to do something else, you can do. If you want to do adjustments, column adjustments, you can do. If you want to do your row adjustments, you can do. Okay, to select that entire sheet, that is the option we have. Okay,
Yes.
these are the basic things which you need to know. Save and save as anyway you know. Okay, and those things are not required. But here, one more thing I want to say. Here, if you see, I showed you, right, the drag and drop option. One. So I want this particular series. Just you see, you need to select this particular cell and make this particular corner to it, and you're able to see the plus symbol. Then click your left click and drag it how much time you want. After that, you need to leave this. Okay, then you're able to see this particular symbol, autofill options. You need to click on this particular triangle. Then you need to copy the information which is there in the first cell, or you need to fill the series, or you need to fill formatting only, or fill without formatting, or flash fill. You need to if you select copy cells, everything will be like only this, only once. Now I'm selecting this and I'm filling series. Okay, here I'll tell you what is that. Everyone understand this particular thing?
Mhm.
How to copy and how to fill the series?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one is there, but defaultly I'll check this format of this particular cell. Right click, format cells. Defaultly it is in general format. Okay, general. Now I am changing this particular cell into a different format, that is into date format. Okay, date format. Okay, this is a date and year format. And here I'm changing another cell into a different format, that is a time format. Time format. Okay, this is the time format. Okay, see this one. What's going to happen? I'm filling this entire thing. Okay, fill without formatting. You're able to see?
Mhm.
I am not asking. Don't. I'm not asking. Change that particular format of the cell without changing the character of that cell. You fill the above value in this particular cell also. You understand? This particular cell is formatted for time. Okay, in this particular cell I want to see the only time, but from the above value, 1 is there, right? Defaultly if I enter 1, it will give a 12 a.m. If it is a 1, it will come as 1 by 1 as a date. If it means the same thing is there, the same thing at there, so just see, if I choose with format, fill formatting only, what happened? Fill formatting only means already I changed these things, right? I changed these things into another format. From general to, one is with date, one is with a time.
Mhm.
Okay, at the time you need, I'm asking which are the things, only format, up to there only you need to paste that value, above value. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now
So
I'm
what happened here is you changed the format of the cells, like in the H1, H column.
H2.
Yeah, H2 and H3, you changed one to date format and another one is time format. And
Yes,
when you dragged them and you used it for,
without format.
yeah, without format. So except those two lines, rest everything like repeated,
No, no,
like
no. If you observed previously, in those two columns also, we take a different time and different date.
yeah.
Those cells also copied with the above value. One,
Oh, okay.
okay, but in that format, one means one date and 1 year.
Okay.
1
It
hour
changed.
means 12 a.m. It is changed.
Okay.
Okay,
So
one
it,
second, I'll show you. 1 second, I'll show you. You'll get a clarification. One is there. This is a general one. Okay, here I'm changing this particular cell into date in uh, month, date, year. Okay, and
okay.
here I'm giving this is, I'm changing this particular cell, format cell, and into a time. Okay, this is the time, right? Just you see, I'm dragging the one value into all these things. Fill formatting
Okay.
or fill without formatting. Fill without formatting. See, previously we entered a different date and different time, right?
Yes.
Now it is replicating as a 1, 1, 1. Here also 1, here also 1. But the information display is the different thing.
Okay. The displaying value is showing in the time and
Yes,
date
right.
value, but
Yes,
it changed into the first cell, which is
yes,
in.
yes, right. What is the value we have in that particular first cell? Uh, though that value is resembles in these two different cells also.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
right? Now, if you're able to see, this is the quick access tool, quick access bar, quick tool access. See this one? This is a save, this is undo. This is redo. This is the sorting order. You can able to adjust this bars also. If you want anything, you can add it here. Zoom. Okay. If you want anything, you can add it here also. And if you're able to see, I'm selecting this particular information. What you're able to see at here?
You just drag that one thing.
I just selected
Yeah.
those columns. That's it. Average is 1, count is 31, minimum is 1, sum is 31. This is an information session, information bar, information location. You can consider it as whatever you can select. You see, I selected this. You'll get all these things. I selected this, only this. Okay. Now, just I want to see 100 and I'm filling the series. Okay, see. Now I'm performing so I'm selecting all these things and you're able to see the auto sum option. So in that multiple options are there. Sum, what is the sum of those total numbers? That's a 2553. Okay. What is the minimum of all these numbers?
Minimum 100.
Okay. Once again, I'm selecting this thing. What is the maximum?
2000.
2553. Okay. I'm selecting this entire thing. And what is the average? 298.4231. Okay. And this is an auto thing. We can able to perform all these operations by using formulas also. Okay. With help of the formulas also, we can able to solve all those things. To write a formula, we need to use is equal to. After that, for example, if you're feeling like that, you need to perform sum. Automatically, it will suggest what you are looking for. Sum. You are looking for sum. Sum if means it's a condition. Okay. If my sum is more than 100 or more than 200, what need to do? What value it need to fetch? That type of conditions you can able to also deduce in this. Okay, this is just a sum and you need to select this particular entire thing. Okay. 8057.423. This is the sum. And you know the merge, anyone know merge and center? Merge and center.
Sir, I think it's been more than a decade that I use.
Okay, for example, just you see. So I'm selecting these three cells and I'm using the option merge and center.
Merchant center.
It will merge all the cells and it will keep only the information which is there in the first cell.
Okay.
You need to remember that.
Margin center.
Okay. Anyway, I told you the wrap option and this is the place where the data should be available. Which side? Are the middle or the left? Left or right or middle? Okay. And you can change, you can apply different colors to the backgrounds. Okay. And you can apply different colors to the fonts, to the texts. This is for the background colors. This is for the information color inside to the text, inside to the cells. Okay. This is where you can able to select the font, different fonts. Okay. and this is a size. I selected this particular thing, and if I am able to increase the size, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you can change the size, you can wrap the text if it is more than that particular cell. If you can adjust the cell, you can perform sum and average and minimum operations. You are able to identify the address of the cells. You can able to create multiple sheets. You can able to I mean to say, like, what are the things, merge and center, wrap the test, and alignment. Okay, these are the things which you understand and which we discussed up to now. So who are very familiar with this things? I discussed very basic things. I hope everyone know.
Yeah, it's coming like as though it's coming from far away. It's like,
Okay, no problem. Okay, and what's my ask is, anyone know? I want to say, like, I'll tell. Okay, no problem. I'll share it in that once I match the groups. I'll share the content in the group itself. Uh, some articles I want to share. Some free resources also I want to share. So okay, I'll change it, and I'll inform to you. And you are available for the tomorrow's class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For this week, continue in the same timings. But once I manage to be in the two batches are in the same, I'll try to manage two classes on the same page to combine from the Monday itself.
Okay.
Okay.
It's supposed to be like, let me see, 10.
Mm,
Yeah, 10 to
no, once
11.
again, I got confused. It's 10 to 11:30. 10 to 12, you can consider it.
Okay.
So you are giving me time, right? So I'll take it there.
Mhm.
Okay. 7:30 to 9:30 IST PM.
Okay.
Yeah, from Monday onwards, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you. If you have
Thank you.
any, I mean to say, like, if you have any problems or issues in installing all those things, please post it in the group. I'll be there to answer. I'll try to find some free time and I'll post it there.
Yeah, sure.
What, in the WhatsApp group, sir?
Yes, right. In the WhatsApp
No.
group.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good
Thank
night.
you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, Smita and
Bye.
Tajin.
Bye, Nirupa.